So let's take a look at the couple next exercises here. Here we have 5 to the power of 4 all to the power of 3. What would that be equal to? Well, we have 5 to the power of 4. 5 to the power of 4. And we're doing all that to the power of 3. So let's rewrite that. So we have 5 to the power of 4. I'll write that in red. 5 to the power of 4 times 5 to the power of 4 times 5 to the power of 4. We have that 5 to the power of 4 to the power of 3. 1, 2, 3. And from now on, well, we know 5 to the power of 4 times 5 to the power of 4 times 5 to the power of 4 is equal to, well, 5 to the power of 4 plus 4, that's 8, plus 4, 12. 5 to the power of 12. Why? Well, we looked at this in our previous videos, but we said that 5 to the power of 4, for example, would be 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times another 4 5, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4 more, times another 4 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that therefore you're really just adding on each time 4 more, so that you can just add them up like that. Alright, so we have 5 to the power of 12, that's our answer. Let's take another look at another exercise, different one. Now, it may seem more complicated, but it really isn't, and we're just going to do it step by step by step. So we have 2 to the power of 4 over 2 to the power of 2, all that to the power of 2. For me, the first thing we're going to do is find out what this here in the middle, I'll write it here, what this here in the middle is. Before, and then we can do that to the power of 2. So we have 2 to the power of 4 over 2 to the power of 2. That's what we're going to do first. Well, we know that 2 to the power of 4, that's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Let's write that out. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Over 2 to the power of 2. 2 times 2. And then we have all that here to this power of 2. We can't forget it because that changes a lot. But let's put it in red to the power of 2. So, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 2 times 2, 4. Times 2, 8. Times 2, 16. So that's equal to 16. So that's this, 2 to the power of 4. This, 2 times 2 times 2. And this is 16. It's still the same thing. Divided by 2 times 2, and that's 4. So that would be 4 divided by 4. We have 16 divided by 4, and we can't forget that all that is still the power of 2. But it's still the same thing. Here we have, write it in gray, 2 to the power of 2 is still equal to 2 times 2, and that's 4. It's just rewritten differently. So we have 16 divided by 4, and we know that that's 4. So I'll write that here. 4. So that big blue thing was actually equal to 4. Is equal to 4, still all to the power of 2, which we know is 4 to the power of 2, or 4 times 4 is equal to 4 times 4, which is equal to 16. Easy peasy. So when we looked at this, we're like, oh my god, it's big, there's lots of numbers, there's fractions, there's exponents, it sounds complicated. But really, we just have to do it step by step and simplify things, because 2 to the power of 4 over 2 to the power of 2 was actually 4, which made it all a lot easier. Let's take a quick look at this last exercise. 4 to the power of 2, all to the power of 4. Well, it's a bit like our first one, and we just have to say, okay, well, we have 4 to the power of 2, and then we have it all to the power of 4. So we can say we have 4 to the power of 2, all to the power of 4. So we have to do 4 to the power of 2 4 times. So that would be 4 to the power of 2 times 4 to the power of 2 times 4 to the power of 2 times 4 to the power of 2. We just have it here 4 times. And we know, again, that that would be equal to, so is equal to 4 to the power of these 2, so 2 4s here, plus another 2 more 4s here, that's 4 4s, plus 2 more, 6, plus 2 more, 8, 4 to the power of 8. So we know that that is 4 to the power of 8. Really, whenever you have one of these exercises and you look at it and you're like, oh my god, it's big, I don't know what to do with it, just try to simplify things step by step because you actually know more than you think. And worst comes to worst, you just read it all out and you just do it that way. But it's never so hard you can't solve it. You just have to think it through and go through it step by step and simplify it until you get to things you can actually deal with.